Hey guys, Cale here from ECOffroad. We specialise in all off-road electronics. Today we're going to run you through our lithium setup in our 200 series we've done. We've got the twin 100 amp DCF lithium batteries. There is a twin 75s option. We've gone with the twin 100s. These batteries are good for 600 amp outputs, are perfect for winching. All your external loads, fridges, lights, no problems. Batteries have no problems with heat whatsoever. The glue and the plastic can actually rate it at 280 degrees. They can handle 300 amps of charge combined, 150 each. 200 series alternator, 140 amps effectively output, about 40-50 amps at idle, so no worries whatsoever. No DC-DC required for charging, which is really simple and efficient setup. In our 200 series, we've gone one step further. We're running another 100 amp lithium in the rear. Therefore, we've hooked into an Argo FET battery isolator mounted in here behind the grille. This isolator will permanently isolate these two to the rear battery with a third post for your caravan battery if you want to charge a third one. The Argo splits our alternator output evenly between the two posts, so these two, the battery in the rear. But if these two are charged, it will then shoot all the batteries to the rear, but it will permanently isolate them so we can run heavy loads in the rear on inverters and coffee machines, stuff like that off our inverter. So both of these batteries have got internal Bluetooth up to a 20-metre range where you can monitor the batteries, monitor all your cells, your temperatures, everything you need to know, which is pretty cool. Alright guys, we'll take you around the back of the rear of the car and we'll show you what we've got. In the rear of our 200 series, we've got our 100 amp DCF lithium battery in the rear wing, allowing us to run our 2000 watt Phoenix Smart Victron inverter on that side, giving a 240 plug to run devices like our induction cooker. We've also got a smart shunt hooked into our third battery to monitor everything via the Bluetooth app. What's going in, what's going out, how quick it's charging. It's 0% roughly charge in about an hour and a half, 2 hours driving, so really cool. Also got our low voltage disconnect, which is hooked from all our loads, fridges and the caravan, off our front two batteries to allow them not to go flat, stop at 20% state of charge. The 200 series will start at roughly 7% on one battery, so more than enough to get you out of trouble, allowing you to come off grid for longer, places like this, Sandy Cape, Fraser Island.